Jai Gurudev students, and very good morning to all of you. Today we learn about water, a natural resource. So water is a very important thing for us, and it is a natural resource essential for plant and animal life. Here we can see total water on earth. Sea and ocean covered 97%, only 3% of fresh water we can use. And in this 3%, 1.95% covered with glacier and ice caps, and remaining part is groundwater. And in this groundwater, lakes and soil moisture, plants, animals, rivers, water vapor, all this, about 2% of water is readily available fresh water. So natural resources are all naturally occurring materials or substances, and these natural resources are of two types: renewable and non-renewable. Renewable resource are solar energy, sunlight, fresh water, oxygen and biomass. And non-renewable are fossil fuels, coal, petroleum and natural gas. Second point is forms of water. So water is available in three forms. Water exists in three forms: solid, liquid and gas. In solid form, it is found in glaciers, icebergs, snowflakes, frost and ice crystals. And in liquid form, it found in dew, rain, oceans, rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. And in gaseous forms, it is found in moisture, present in atmosphere, steam and fog. So these are three forms of water. Now we come to water cycle. Water cycle is the process by which water circulates through the earth crust, oceans and atmosphere. So we can understand water cycle by this diagram. When sunlight comes from sun and it heats up water on the surface of oceans and fresh water, so the liquid water forms a vapor through the process known as evaporation. This process is evaporation, when water heats up and evaporate in water vapor. Then the water vapor rises into the air, and when it turns into cloud droplets, so this process is called condensation. Then precipitation process followed. Cloud droplets can grow and produce precipitation. Then after precipitation falling on land flows in the cracks, streams and rivers, running downfall towards the oceans. So this process is called precipitation, and these all process मिलकर के सब प्रोसेस बनाती हैं वाटर साइकिल. So water cycle contains evaporation, condensation and precipitation. Now we come to sources of water. So there are sources of water: surface water, groundwater and rainwater. Surface water and rainwater. Rainwater, it is considered the purest form of water, and groundwater refers to water held beneath the surface of the ground. Ground के नीचे जो हमको मिलता है वो होता है ground water. And the level below the surface of the earth at which you start to find water is known as water table. वाटर टेबल, जब हमको पानी मिलना, ज़मीन के नीचे जब हम खुदाई करते हैं तो पानी मिलना जो शुरू हो जाता है, उस लेवल को हम बोलते हैं वाटर टेबल. And the process of seeping of water into the ground is called infiltration. Now there are two types of water: hard water and soft water. Hard water is rich in minerals and contains salts of magnesium and calcium, and soap does not produce a good leather. Its minerals content leaves visible residue. For example, groundwater like deep wells. And in soft water, they contain few minerals, may contain only sodium, and soap effectively forms leather and clean up well. It does not leave any residue. Example इसका rain water है. Now we come to uses of water. So there are many uses of water including agricultural, industrial, domestic and environmental activities. एग्रीकल्चरल में जैसे जो इरिगेशन के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल में इंडस्ट्रीज़ के लिए ड्राइंग में, डाइंग में है, क्लीनिंग में है. देन डोमेस्टिक घर में हम वाटर का यूजेस करते ही हैं. देन एनवायरमेंटल एक्टिविटीज़ में. फिर स्कैसिटी ऑफ वाटर, वाटर की कमी क्यों होती है? बिकॉज इट इज़ ग्रोइंग एज देयर इज़ एन इम्बैलेंस बिटवीन द अवेलेबिलिटी एंड डिमांड फॉर वाटर. जब वाटर की अवेलेबिलिटी कम हो जाए और डिमांड ज़्यादा हो जाए तब हमको स्कैसिटी ऑफ वाटर होती है. एंड इट इज़ कॉज्ड मेनली बाय ह्यूमन एक्शंस. देन वाटर कंजर्वेशन. तो वाटर कंजर्वेशन इन द कम्युनिटी बाय रिफॉरेस्टेशन, ड्रिप इरिगेशन, अवॉइड ओवर वाटरिंग प्लांट, रिसाइकलिंग एंड ज़ेरीस्कैपिंग. तो हम वाटर कंजर्व इन मेथड से कर सकते हैं. एंड एट होम वी कैन wash vegetables in a container filled with water. Do not leave the tap running for rinsing. Use minimum amount of detergent while washing dishes, and dripping taps should be repaired. Use mug and bucket and turn off white brushing and washing. So by these methods we can conserve water. So this is all about water. I have posted this chapter in Google Classroom with answers. So write the answers in your notebook. Jai Gurudev. Thank you.